That is what the patients want. But what obliges the doctor to conform to the patient's expectations? I too have patients in front of me. What am I providing to them? What they want or what I know is good for them? Patients will have their wants. Everybody in the world is entitled to keep a want. But what obliges us to keep pandering to their wants? What is the great responsibility? What is the great botheration? All doctors take the Hippocratic oath. Is that oath about fulfilling the patient's expectations? Or is that oath about doing really the best? Is it really that the patient would not like it if his expectations are not met? Or is it so that there lies material loss in not fulfilling the expectations of the patient? Is the doctor really so sensitive that he does not want to hurt the patient's expectations? Or is the doctor afraid that the patient might leave his shop if he does the right thing? In either case, the doctor is not really following his dharma. If the doctor is catering to the feelings and emotions of the patient, then he is not doing what is right. And if the doctor is thinking that he must retain the patient, that if he does the right thing, then the patient might go away to another doctor, to another shop, then again obviously he is not doing the right thing. Have some faith, please, doctor. Do what is right. Let something beyond you work for you. Patients, there are just too many because there are too many doctors. So you will never be short of patients. You will keep getting patients. Do what is really, really good for the patient. The world needs those doctors. More importantly, those doctors need themselves. When you are the right doctor, you are right for the patient, and you are, firstly and more importantly, right for yourself. When you are all right with yourself, when you are all right with your relationships, your family, with the world, then obviously and only then will you be able to be right for the patient as well. So give up all fears, give up all doubts. Do what is right. You are not a fulfiller of patients' demands. You are a doctor. You are not a shopkeeper. I am not here to fulfill the demands of my students or my audience. I am here to do what is right. And that is why, doctor, right now you are listening to me. Would you have listened to me had you known that I am just a hawker or a vendor? That I just provide to you what you ask from me? You are listening to me right now because you are sure that I would give to you what is right, not what is demanded. The world needs you. The world needs you to be right. And this one life is your only opportunity. There are very few doctors who are really doctors in the right sense of the word. Please be one of them. The world is really waiting for you.